Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to turn 2D image into 3D parallax video using Canva. So let's dive in. First, open a blank video template in Canva. Next, insert the image you want to convert into 3D parallax effect. Zoom in and adjust it to fit perfectly as the background. Then, select the image and click Edit. Select the Magic Grab option in the Magic Studio. Magic Grab allows you to easily isolate and separate objects or elements from an image. With Magic Grab, you can click on an object within an image and Canva will automatically detect and outline the object, allowing you to move, edit or delete it independently from the rest of the image. You can either select it by clicking Object or you can use Brush. Select Click and select all the kits. For any parts that weren't selected, use the brush tool to manually select them. Just cover the entire object, it doesn't need to be perfect. Once you select everything, click Grab. Now duplicate the page, resize and zoom kid layer. Resize the background as well. Duplicate the page again. Drag the kids to left and resize the background once again. Now add transition between the two pages. Select a match and move transition and increase the duration to maximum for a smooth effect. Apply it for all pages. Now download the video as MP4. Open a new video project and insert the file we have just downloaded. Resize and adjust it. Now remove the non-animated part and keep only the animated section. As we are going to cut the unwanted part and keep only transition part for the smooth effect, once done, download MP4 file and that's it. Your parallax video animation is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. See you next time.